If you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe our YouTube for more informative videos, and if you like this video, then please appreciate us by liking, sharing and commenting on our video. Let's see new updates from eBay. New Terapeak research features in Seller Hub and Terapeak.com deactivation from eBay. eBay says, "We continue to integrate Terapeak.com features and research into the Terapeak Research Insights tool in Seller Hub, and we will deactivate Terapeak.com on March 31, 2020. Terapeak uses recent eBay supply, demand, and pricing data to help you determine what to sell, when to sell it, and at what price. Terapeak is available under the Research tab in Seller Hub and is free to Basic, Premium, Anchor, and Enterprise eBay Store subscribers. You can also use Terapeak to see how specific products and categories are performing across all eBay marketplaces. Since we introduced Terapeak in Seller Hub, we have added more features. They include Category Selector. Narrow your search by category and view only transactions that occur in a specific eBay category. Type Ahead component. Recommended keyword and category suggestions, based on the most frequent seller searches corresponding to the keywords you enter. Data visualization for items sold, and at what prices. Spot and analyze trends for items sold and at what prices over time. Data visualization for market share. Easily identify your top competitors' market share and calculate average item prices. Starting in March 2020, we will add more features to Terapeak to provide you with additional insights into your business data and that of your competitors. New Terapeak features coming in early spring. Unsold listing indexing and sell-through rate. Aggregate metrics for active listings. Listing report for active listings. New Terapeak features coming in late spring. Multi-user account access for Terapeak research. Data visualizations for active listings, price and category distribution. Frequently asked question. Question: if I prepaid my Terapeak.com subscription, will I receive a refund for the unused portion of my subscription following deactivation? Answer: paid subscription plans do not change. If you previously had access to Terapeak.com, you will continue to have access to Terapeak research in Seller Hub. Basic store subscriptions and above include complimentary access to Terapeak. As a reminder, you have access to Seller Hub at no cost, but you need to opt into Seller Hub and be logged into eBay to access the data. Thanks for watching full video.